My name is Dan Pasamanik, and I have some free advice for you. Everybody likes blueberry pancakes. What you want to do is make them with frozen blueberries, because the fresh blueberries will get super, super hot and explode in a fountain of molten nectar inside people's mouths, and it'll hurt them. The frozen blueberries wind up cooking up really well, but people tend to get a lot of ice on frozen products. You don't want to cook with things that are covered with ice. The way to avoid getting ice all over your frozen food is make sure when you open up the bag and you use a little bit, you close it up again, suck all the air out. Then you use an alligator clip or a bulldog clip or something to close it up. If there's no air in the bag, your food won't get ice on it, and then you can cook the frozen blueberry pancakes that will make you the hit of every brunch. That's my advice to you.
Thank you.